Are you a small, new YouTuber who is tired of getting no views and all that you give it all there's no growth? Well, you're in luck, as we're about to give you a few proven tips which will help you grow your YouTube channel fast. Step 1. Finding your passion. The first and most crucial step is to identify your passion or niche. Ask yourself, what topics or activities genuinely interest me? It could be anything from gaming, beauty, cooking, or even travel. Choosing a subject you're passionate about will ensure your enthusiasm shines through your videos. Step 2. Define your target audience. Knowing your target audience is vital for success on YouTube. Ask yourself, who am I making these videos for? Understanding your audience's demographics, interests, and preferences will help you tailor your content to their needs and desires. Step 3. Engaging content. Create high-quality and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Make sure your video offers value, whether it's informative, entertaining, or inspiring. Unique and well-produced content has a higher chance of attracting views and shares. Step 4. Planning and creating content. Content planning is the backbone of any YouTube channel. Start by brainstorming video ideas that align with your passion and audience. Create a content calendar to organize your topics, filming schedule, and upload dates. Remember, consistency is key. Step 5. Catchy thumbnails. Design eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your video's content. A compelling thumbnail can grab the attention of potential viewers and entice them to click on your video. Step 6. Uploading and optimizing videos. When it comes to uploading, follow these best practices. Use relevant titles, captivating thumbnails, and engaging video descriptions. Incorporate keywords and tags related to your content to increase discoverability. Always strive for high-quality videos, and remember to keep them concise and engaging. Step 7. Analyzing and adapting. Lastly, analyze your channel's performance using YouTube Analytics. Understand your audience retention, watch time, and traffic sources. Identify what works and what doesn't, and adapt your content accordingly. Consistently improving and evolving your videos will help you retain and attract more viewers. And there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide.